Hello everyone, welcome to JT classes. Concern Sony this side and alumnus of NIT Calicut. In the last video we were discussing about location of roots and we have completed one category, that was if the number k lies in between the roots, and the condition was a into f of k is less than 0. In today's video now we will be discussing the second category, which is if the number k lies outside the root. Okay, so in the second category we have real number k lies outside the roots. Outside the root means we know that in the quadratic equation we have two possibilities. Possibility 1, when my graph is upwards, it means when a is positive, and when my graph is downwards, it means when a is negative. Suppose the roots are alpha and beta. Now we are saying that k lies outside the root. It means k has two possibilities, either k be in the left side or k can be in the right side. Okay, now for the first one, if I'll ask you, tell me what is f of k, then can I say f of k is greater than 0? Likewise, in the second one, if I'll ask you what is f of k, then what can we comment? That f of k is negative, so f of k is less than 0. If I'll take these two together, we can say a into f of k is greater than 0. From here also a into f of k is greater than 0. Since a also negative, f of k also negative, so the product will be positive. So what can we say? That whenever my k lies outside the roots, then a into f of k is greater than 0. Now one more condition that we have to include, that is d also has to be greater than equals to 0. Okay, fine, k will lie outside the roots, but before that the roots should exist. Suppose I'll ask you that suppose this is the case, my a is positive and I'm taking any number k. Suppose I'm taking k here, and then I'm asking, tell me what about f of k here. We can say that since here a positive and d is negative, so f of k will be positive. It means whatever values we are taking, it will always be positive. So can I say here also we are getting a into f of k positive, but here can't say that k lies outside the roots since we don't have the roots only. So the number k will lie outside the roots. Condition 1, d is greater than equal to 0, and the condition 2, a into f of k is greater than 0. Thank you.